My favorite feature of the Fundy Designer is the ability to play slideshows of the albums and the wall art that we've created inside the software. We love to have emotional impact for our clients whenever we're showing them their photos, whether it's the first time they're seeing them or when they're seeing their album design. So for us, being able to play their slideshow to music, show them all of the different spreads or wall art options while we're running them through this for the first time allows them to reconnect with their wedding and with the emotion of that day, rather than just diving straight into the nitty-gritty and the minutiae of designing it. They get to experience it again for the first time, and then it allows them to connect with that. So it's less about, saving dollars and cents and more about creating this heirloom piece that they're going to have for their lives and their children's lives and their grandchildren's lives.